So before jumping into the course, I just want to let you know that the prerequisite is you have to have basic understanding of infrastructure. Okay, like what is infrastructure, and you should have some kind of knowledge on the infrastructure. And second thing is you should have some basic knowledge on the cloud. Okay, basically here if you have knowledge on the Azure, it will be better because we will see the examples on the Azure cloud. Okay, maximum. Okay, but if you're having knowledge on any other cloud such as AWS and GCP, that is also fine. But here as we are going to see the Azure DevOps, including the Azure DevOps, it will be better if you are having knowledge on the Azure cloud. Okay, and you no need to have coding experience to learn this Terraform and Azure DevOps, and no need to have a deep, no logical thinking like programmer. No need to have just if you have the basic knowledge on the infra side, that should be enough. I will make you understand how to write the simple code. This coding part is very simple. You no need to no get afraid on that, including Terraform code as well as the Azure pipeline. And this entire session will be like an interactive session. So whenever if you have any doubt, you can directly interrupt me and you can ask me so that we can discuss and then we can move further. Okay. Okay. The first point is the course syllabus. So already you know what are the syllabus we are having, but let me just quickly take you through the course content. So basically this is, sorry. Yeah, we have planned 19 days, but it may extend 1 or 2 days. So on the day one, we will see the basics of DevOps, what is DevOps and what is IAC, right? And the comparison of other tools, those stuff we will see it. Uh, Actually, this is the day one, so it is a just introduction class. On the next class, we will see the lab. Okay, the day one will be little bit theory part, but from the day two onwards, everything will be practical session. Okay. So from the day two onwards, we will jump into like how to install Terraform, how to create install the VS Code, how to configure those stuff we will see, and including these Terraform blocks, the settings blocks and provider block, multiple providers. And day three, we will see Terraform resource block, including the live coding session. Okay. So on the day three, you will come to know how to write the code on Terraform, and you from day three onwards, you should be able to write the Terraform code, the basic Terraform code. Okay. From day four onwards, we will jump into some advanced session. We will start with the DevOps part, the Azure DevOps, the Azure board. So here we will see what is Agile process, what is Scrum, what is iteration, how to use in the Azure board. Those things we will see on the day four. On day five, it's Azure repository, like what is source code control, right? And what is version control management, how you can configure your repository in a laptop, and the workflow of Git, and then what is branches, what is policies, what is pull request, what is merge request. Those stuff we will see on the day five entirely. On day six, we will see advanced concept in Terraform, that is the meta arguments, how to use count, for each, and then the life cycle depends on those stuff. And day seven, it is very important topic of the Terraform, that is the state file. So here we will see what is state file, how to use it, how to store locally, how to store remotely, and we will see some of the Terraform state file comments as well. Okay. On day 8, we will see the Terraform variables, the basic variables. On day 9, we will see the complex variables such as list map, those stuff. On day 10 and day 11, it's completely for Azure DevOps pipeline. Okay, so here I will make you understand what is pipeline, how to create a simple classic pipeline, and how to create pipeline using the YAML. Okay, those stuff we will see on the day 10 and day 11. On day 12, we will see on the Terraform part, like how to import the existing resource into Terraform, right? How to use a data source, how to validate the variables and output blocks, local blocks, those stuff. On day 13, we will see Azure Artifact. So how to use Artifact, how to store packages. And here we have one more project called we will create a Azure App Service using the package through the pipeline. And day 14, Terraform modules, we will see it like local modules, remote modules, private modules, and public modules. Those stuff we will see. And day 15 is like expressions, like how to use if condition, for loop, those stuff. But I will make you understand how to use if and for and all. You don't need to worry about that. And day 16, it's provisioners and null resources. And here we will see how to integrate a Terraform with Ansible as well. Okay. And day 17, it's basics of container, how to what is Docker, and how to create a simple container. And in Azure, we will create Azure container app using Docker file. Okay, so this we will see through the pipeline. On day 18, it's completely Azure Cloud and Enterprise. Okay, so in cloud in Terraform itself, we have a cloud that we will see, and what are the uh, what are the configurations, what are the options available. Those we will see in the practical session. On day 19 is completely the review section. Okay, so this is the overall the plan of this course. Okay, so again, I'm telling, if you have any doubt, just you can interrupt me always. Fine. So this is a GitHub repository. This will be shared to you. And whatever the session we are taking, right? Whatever the session we are discussing on day to day, those will be updated into this specific GitHub repository. So if you don't have a GitHub account, just to create it, we will give access to this specific repository. Okay, let me show you the repository once. So this is a repository. Okay, so here, for example, if with the day one, you will see all the content of day one here. Like that, you will get this repository will get updated day one, day two, day three, till the end of session. Okay, so just have the GitHub account readily available.